I'm literally just so impressed by how clean this came out. I have been rubbing paper towels on it. I've been sticking Q-tips in it. I cannot find any carbon buildup anywhere on this barrel or on the locking block or anything. Everything is moving freely. It feels as though it's lubricated, even though it isn't, because there's absolutely no debris inside anywhere on this thing. The guide rod is, I've never been able to get my spring as clean as this. It's absolutely insane how clean that ultrasonic system works. I'm almost embarrassed to see how much wear is on the original finish on this thing, because I have never been able to get it clean enough to see it. The finish on this thing, it is so clean. It is ridiculously clean, and I am just stunned by how absolutely pristine this is. Even looking down inside the barrel, I'm looking at the lines and grooves, and it looks new. It really does. I got a lot of rounds through this gun. It's really impressive. I cannot say how impressed I really am with this thing. This thing's outrageous.